Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy A26. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and we want to clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So our microphone is right at the bottom here. What are we going to do is we're going to clean it. So we can use an air compressor, definitely does the job, wonderful. Job is basically made by an air compressor, so you can use it. You can use a soft brush, it's also really good. After cleaning the microphone port though, what are we going to do is we're going to test our mic in a voice recorder. So you should have it in your Samsung folder. So here we have the Samsung folder in the app drawer. We're going to go to voice recorder, start recording, and as you guys can see, whenever these lines are moving, then that means our microphone is working, because now I can stop talking for a couple of seconds and they're going straight. So you can notice the difference whenever I'm talking and whenever I'm not. So that's how we can check that our microphone is working properly. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over and restart our phone. So press the power button and the volume down button, keep on holding them until you see the screen, and tap twice on restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and unlock the phone, wait for the phone to start, and now we're going to go to settings. Here in settings, as you guys can see, I already have the software update, but what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down, go to software update, and click download and install. Once you click it, you should see this. If you're not on the latest version, you should click on schedule install or install now. I mean, I don't want to block my phone right now, so I'll install it at free. Let's make sure, yes, it's a 24-hour timer. We're gonna set it up at 3 AM. So that's how you guys can easily fix it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.